Standard 8 Maths Chapter 13 Congruence of Triangles Practice Set 13.2. Now see, in each pair of triangles given below, parts shown by identical marks are congruent. State the test and one-to-one correspondence of vertices by which triangle in each pair are congruent and remaining congruent parts. So what they are saying over here, यहाँ पे क्या बोला गया है, ये फिगर में there will be one missing, but वो missing you have to find out. सिंबल जो दिया है ना, सी ये और ये सिंबल दिया है, ये और ये सिंबल दिया है, that means two symbol you already have, one symbol is missing, that you have to find out. आपको ढूंढ के निकालना है और ये दो ट्रायंगल के बीच का पहले टेस्ट बताना है. आफ्टर शोइंग टेस्ट जो 3 हो जाएगा तो रिमेनिंग 3 चीज़ों का आपको पैर बना के लिखना है. सो लेट्स सी हाउ टू सॉल्व. सो यह सॉल्यूशन इन ट्रायंगल MTS or MST, in triangle MST and triangle TBM. Now see, first we will write whichever is given. Side MS is congruent to side TB. This is given. And then angle this S. So MST, angle MST is congruent to angle this B. S is congruent to B. So TBM, TBM. Okay. Right angle, both are right angles. दोनों 90 डिग्री है, सिंबल दिया हुआ है. सो नाउ थर्ड इज दिस MT, जिसका साइन दिया नहीं, बट वी कैन सी दिस MT इज फॉर बोथ द ट्रायंगल. सो साइड MT इज कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू साइड MT because both are common side. So therefore triangle MST is congruent to triangle TBM by side angle side test. So now remaining part. See, साइड एंगल साइड टेस्ट नो, तो एक साइड हो गया, एक एंगल हो गया और एक साइड हो गया. सो व्हाट इज रिमेनिंग? वन साइड इज रिमेनिंग and two angles are remaining. So we have to name two angles and one side. So two angles will be this angle M is congruent to angle T and this is congruent to angle this. ये हो गया angles और one side is remaining, that is this bottom ST and MB. So we will write first angle, ये वाला M दिखाना है ना. So SMT is congruent to, ये MT के साथ है तो MTB, and then ये जीरो वाला दिखाना है तो BMT is congruent to M, तो 2T, STM, and now side, one side is remaining, side ये bottom वाला ST is congruent to side MB. So these are the remaining side. Question number 2. This figure is given. Now see, in triangle PRQ and triangle TRS. So what is the common? ये symbol common है. So that means side PR is congruent to side RT. And यहाँ पे भी same symbol है. This is also given same symbol. That means side QR is congruent to side RS. So what is not given is that this, ये जो V शेप में एंगल बन रहे हैं ना, इसको वर्टिकली ऑपोजिट एंगल, वी कॉल इट एज वर्टिकली ऑपोजिट एंगल. So we write it as side. So this is side angle side test. So side PR is congruent to side RT given. Then side QR is congruent to side RS given. Now what we find out, PRQ is congruent to angle SRT vertically opposite angle. So therefore triangle PRQ is congruent to triangle TRS by side angle side test. So what is remaining? Remaining. So see, side angle side हो गया. So again angle side angle is remaining. So which are the angle? Angle P and angle T, angle Q and angle S. So how we will write? We will write angle QPR is congruent to angle STR. Okay, P and T. Then angle PQR is congruent to angle TSR. See, Q को दिखा, जो middle one होता है ना, that is the angle. So Q and here middle one S. So two angles we showed, now side remaining. So this is the side PQ and ST. So side PQ is congruent to side ST. Done. Third sums. See, this is the given figure, and here common symbol is X and here. That means H is congruent to F angle, and ये सिंबल दिया है सेम है, तो C कॉमन एंगल हुआ. अब ट्राइंगल का नाम, व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ द ट्राइंगल? ट्राइंगल DHC and triangle DFC. So in this two triangle, angle DCH is congruent to angle DCF given. In same pattern, angle DHC is congruent to angle DFC given. See, DCH ये वाला angle, middle one is always angle, so DCF ये हो गया, and then DHC and DFC, and the third one जो नहीं दिया है, that is DC. It is common for both of them. So side DC is congruent to side DC common side. So therefore triangle DHC is congruent to triangle DFC by angle side. So by angle side test. Now remaining correspondence part. So जो बचे हुए, now see angle side, that means side angle is remaining. So which side? This we have already shown. So that means DH and DF, and then HC and FC. So side DH is congruent to side DF, and side HC is congruent to side FC. HDC. Now one angle is remaining, that is this part. So HDC FDC is congruent to FDC. Second sums, in the adjoining figure, seg AD is congruent to seg EC. Which additional information is needed to show that triangle ABD is congruent to triangle EBC? Will be congruent by AA test. Now what they are asking, उन्होंने हमको ये figure दिया, they have given us this figure and only one symbol they have given that this side is congruent to this side. Now what they are asking कि ये दोनों triangle को ये टेस्ट से congruent बताओ, एंगल एंगल साइड. सो हमारे पास सिर्फ साइड है, ठीक है. सो साइड तो हो गया, अब हमको दो एंगल चाहिए. सो इन दैट वन एंगल इज ऑलरेडी देयर. सी ये वर्टिकली ऑपोजिट है, एक दूसरे से उल्टा है, तो दे आर कॉन्ग्रुएंट. सो एक एंगल भी मिल गया. सो वी कैन शो कि हमको ये टेस्ट बताने के लिए, टू शो दिस टेस्ट आइदर वी कैन यूज दिस एंगल, एंगल ए इज कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू एंगल सी, और वी कैन से एंगल डी इज कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू एंगल ई. कोई भी एक को लेंगे, एक जोड़ी को लेंगे. सो here in triangle ABD and triangle EBC, AD is congruent to EC given, and that vertically opposite angle, angle ABD, ABD is vertically opposite to EBC, they are congruent. So side और angle हो गया. तो to show congruent by AA test we need any one triangle angle. So we will write BAD is congruent to BCE. See BAD ये वाला is congruent to BCE. ओके, या तो ये शो करेंगे और ये वाली जोड़ी, दिस जोड़ी. सो एंगल BDA is congruent to angle BEC. Done.